Hi, in this video I'll guide you with the 100 Days of Code challenge. In 2016, Alexander Callaway was feeling frustrated with his inability to consistently learn to code after work. In July, he had an idea to make a public commitment to learning how to code. It was for his personal development that he came up with the 100 Days of Code challenge. The challenge is nothing but to code for at least an hour every day for the next 100 days, committing to the challenge and sharing your progress on a daily basis while motivating 2 other people to join in. Alex came up with 100daysofcode.com with a set of rules for the challenge. By publicly committing to the challenge, he hoped that more people would go through his article and join his journey. Within 18 months, thousands of people committed to 100 Days of Code challenge with hundreds of tweets with the famous hashtag pouring in every day. People now use the 100 Days of Code hashtag to share their progress, projects and achievements. Joining the 100 Days of Code challenge is easy. Simply head over to the official website hosted at 100daysofcode.com. Remember the rules. First, code for minimum an hour every day for the next 100 days. Second, tweet your progress every day with the 100 Days of Code hashtag. Now you need to scroll down and click on Tweet to commit to the challenge. The link redirects you to Twitter. The tweet body reads, "I'm publicly committing to the 100 Days of Code challenge starting today. Learn more and join me." The tweet also tags Alexander Callaway and includes the 100 Days of Code hashtag. After posting the tweet, you have officially committed to the 100 Days of Code challenge. Now if your primary ID is Visual Studio Code, there is an amazing extension with a beautiful interface that helps you track your progress, build your dashboard, share updates over Twitter and back up your data. The name of this extension is 100 Days of Code by Software.com. To install this, simply head over to the Extensions tab and type 100 Days of Code. Click on the extension with the author name Software. As you can see here, it's the first extension on the list. Simply click on Install. This extension also installs CodeTime, which is an open source plugin for automatic programming metric and time tracking. As you can see here, a widget for CodeTime is added in the activity bar. To your left, in the sidebar, you have a menu where you can log into Google, GitHub and other stuff. Below that, you have code metrics to monitor code time, lines added and more things. Towards the bottom of the sidebar, you have the options for the 100 Days of Code challenge dashboard. You need to click on View Dashboard to open your challenge dashboard. As you can note here, you need to log in to be able to access your dashboard. You can log in using Google, GitHub or email. I am going to log in using GitHub. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to this page which says Setup Complete. You will get a notification of VS Code which reads Successfully logged into CodeTime. Using this extension, you can easily track your progress and share updates over Twitter. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching.